Good afternoon. I'd like to present the two pictures that I have chosen to represent the suburban and urban policing billboards. The top one representing the suburban and the bottom one representing the urban. The top picture identifies with suburban parents because of the abundance of open space, green grass, the park, and the field. Parents that have families in the suburbs can identify with this because this is how a majority of suburbs are, dependent on the climate. Suburbans have Suburbs have open spaces and are generally less crowded. This also allows the parents to identify with their childhood of playing in the grass, in the park, with friends, and how carefree and naive they were to the adult problems of the world. The police in the suburbs are mostly associated with keeping children safe. They expect to be able to send their kids to the park because they are safe because of the policing. The bottom picture represents the urban. This picture identifies with urban parents because children playing in hydrants to keep cool during the summer is very common. It also depicts apartment buildings and cars parked on the street, further signifying that this is an urban setting. Many adults who live in the city have grown up in the city and participated in the same activities, and these are the memories that they remember. Urban areas are also known for having concrete brick buildings and cars parked in the street. Playing in the hydrant is something that never happens in the suburbs and is almost always associated with childhood summer days in the city. The metonym aspect is the viewers assume that in the suburban setting that it's safe and kids can play in the grass, and that's associated with the grass. For the city, viewers assume this is somewhere in the city where parks and water parks are not close or available. For the analogical aspect, for the suburbs, compared to the opposite situation, a poorer area, perhaps an urban area, where it is more populated and therefore less safer. The park is empty, other than the children running. For the urban, the concrete versus the grass is a comparison. Urban settings have more concrete and less grass and open spaces. For the displaced aspect, parents and community leaders transfer the happiness and fun energy of the picture to their own families of young children that they know based off of the expressions of the children. For the urban setting, concrete is a big indicator of the urban setting and reminds people of the city feel. In the condensed category, for the suburban picture, parents feel like this is relatable to their own personal situations. If kids feel safe, then they will have more fun playing outside and not be so bored. They have the openness of the area to play and have fun, and this is from the children running and the brightness of the clothes. The importance of using semantic codes helps the viewer to connect and relate to the billboard. If they're able to relate, then they are more likely to believe in the billboard and have a more positive reaction to it. Looking at all the parts, the colors used, reactions, and settings can all help the viewer relate. By using the different images, people familiar with the urban setting will be more emotionally engaged based on memories and experiences, and the same will go for people familiar with the suburban setting. I hope you guys enjoyed this presentation and you choose these pictures for the billboard, as I believe that they will most accurately represent the suburban and urban settings. Thank you.